and leading healthy life. Welcome everybody to my class. I am Vijay Kumar Vishesh and lecturer of management. Today we want to discuss about a topic from the book of Business Organizations and Management, second paper, standard class 12, chapter number 4, class number 25, lesson number 1. To start the class today, we want to show some picture to you all. In the picture you can see eggs, eggs and flour and salt and the sugar and milk and so many ingredients are there. So if I organize this, what will be made? Can you tell me? If I offer this ingredient to you, what will make? After organizing, you can say, sir, I can do many things, but you can do then possible only if you this ingredient organized well. Otherwise you cannot get a good output with this ingredient. So the precondition is that you have to organize this ingredient professionally and efficiently. So if you organize this ingredient very professionally and organized very efficiently, then you can get this output. What is it? It is bread. So if you today's topics you already have realized that our topic name today, organizing and organization. So learning outcome today, what students will be able to from this class today, they will be able to define organizing. They will be able to explain the topic of organizing and analyze various steps of organizing. At the beginning, first we can see what is organizing. What do you mean by organizing? Already have introduced by posting a picture of some ingredient and then get output bread as the output. So organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationships among the purpose of enabling people to work most efficiently together in accomplishing objective. So in the picture you can see some of the people is very organized. How it is organized? Red color person is the supremon, and then 3 division head, and then every division head belongs 3 manager. So it is organized. So we can say, and then the relation what is in the definitions of organizing, we can say that who are the peoples are engaged to accomplish the objective, they have to be related each other. So in the picture we can see red with the red person, and the other three person, or a blue color three person is related, and then with the blue people, blue color three person is related with the other three person pair. So we can say that it is a relation. Relation means red person is boss of three person is boss of 9%. So we can say this. And what is the task? Is task also given identified if we think that it is a company? So red person is company supremon or managing director. Then other three person who are the blue colors, their manager, the manager production, manager marketing, manager purchase. So it is the identifying the work and divide the work, and then also be responsibility, balancing the responsibility and the power. Authority means to motivate someone or to pressurize someone to do the work. So we can say that organizing is making relationship among people, a group of people who are engaged to achieve a goal. And now various steps of an organization process. In the organization process, what are the steps you have to take? Now, first step of organizing a process, work departmentation. Work departmentation means in a company you have to classify the work. All the works you have to classify like this: functional departmentalization, product departmentalization, customer departmentalization. Functional departmentalization means production department different, finance department, marketing department, human resource department. If I do the product departmentalization, then like this, in electronics product, the fridge, the electronic fan, these are the departments is different. So this is the product departmentalization. So these are the departmentalizations you have to classify this work. This is the work departmentalization. Next, what is in the picture? You can see the managing director engaged 5 manager. In the picture also given, there first one is statics manager, second one is message, it means the communication manager, then is given that calendar, it's I think planning manager, call receiving, his it is a call center manager, and then the production manager. So the work is classified and also given each manager to perform. So we can say that defining authority and responsibility. So in a telephone company, or in a telecommunication company, or in a company, what are the total activity that will be classified, and every task, related task, according to that given to the person. And then all the activities which have to be performed in concern have to be and identified, and power also be needed to perform a activities, or to influence someone. We have to impose power, otherwise people cannot influenced to go ahead to work, perform on the work. Next, delegating authority and responsibility. Already in the previous slide we have seen that the identifying, this is the responsibility and this is the authority, or this is the power. Then second step, you have to offer or delegate to the person. In the picture you can see a person is holding tie and taking some arrow. It means that he is holding some responsibility, and in the tie it means that he is the boss, and he has power to motivate the subordinate, to influence the subordinate towards a saving goal. So this help is in avoiding wastage of time, money, efforts, in avoidance of duplications or overlapping of efforts, and it helps in bringing smoothness in the concerning work. So when authority and responsibility is different, and when authority and responsibility is identified and it is offered to the specific person, then there is no option to waste of time, there is no option to waste of money, there is no option to avoiding any duplication or overlapping. So this is organization step. And then last, determining interpersonal relationship. I have already said management works among the group of people, but this group of people, everybody is related with each other. Nobody will be detached, nobody will be separate, because to achieve a goal in the management, everybody is responsible for his work. So they have to be interpersonally related with his subordinate, with his superior. So relationships are established among the various groups to enable smooth interaction towards the achievement of organization goal. And now the step of process, we can remind this. What are the steps of an organizing process? The first step was, what was? Do you know, and do you remember it? The first step was work departmentation. Second one, defining authority and responsibility, and then delegating authority and responsibility, and then determining interpersonal relationship. These 4 steps to complete a organizing process. And your homework, an organizer makes a organization by gathering elements. Explain it. So already we have discussed what is organizing and what is organization. I hope you will be able to complete your homework, and you will submit after college open. And thank you all. I hope you have understood